Said we're going to Banana Island, me and my friend Earl. Hi, this is Ben Brown coming to you from Plantation Key in the Florida Keys. I'm going to teach you my favorite island song, Banana Island. See the links below for the chord chart and a full video of the song, but here's all you need to play it. Okay, it's got 3 chords and 1 variation. You're going to play a G chord. First finger hangs loose. Second finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger is on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And your pinky kind of curls up and gets the 1st string on the 3rd fret there. Now, this might not seem like the easiest way to play it at first, but it'll make everything easier later on. The second chord is a C chord. First finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret. Now notice, if I'm playing a G chord, I can just go to that. All I do is unweight these fingers and move them over, 1 string each, pick up the pinky, put down the 1st finger, and I've got a C chord. The next chord is the D chord, of course. First finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes 1st string, 3rd fret, so they kind of line up there next to each other. Push them right up toward the fret. Your ring finger is going to go on the 2nd string, the 3rd fret, in between them, kind of making a triangle. We're going to include a variation of a G chord. Play the G chord. And then to play the G7, all you have to do is pick up your pinky and put down your 1st finger. This is another reason why you want to use this combination of fingers to play the G chord. It makes all the other chords easier to get to. If you started out everything with your 1st finger, then you have to go from here to here, whoa, boom, moving all your fingers around. Whereas this way, you only move 2 fingers. The strumming pattern for Banana Island is a simple down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we're going to throw in a palm mute. Lay this part of your hand on the string, stopping the sound, on 2 and 4. So to do it slowly, it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, at tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, a neat thing you can do is put a little percussive scratch with a string while you've got the mute down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it just adds a little bit of drumming to your guitar playing. Another key element that makes this a lot of fun is the vamp at the beginning. You'll start strumming a G chord. And you can tell people about the story. I like to tell people we're going to a very special place, and sometimes I tell them about the people that wrote the song and throw in whatever silly things you want. And then when you're ready to sing, go to the G7 chord. And we're going to Banana Island. Which brings us to the next part. This is a great sing-along. Point out to your crowd that all you're going to do is sing Banana Island 3 times, and then Me and My Friend Earl. And they're sure to join in. Audience participation always ensures that the audience likes you better. They like being a part of the show, so never be afraid to do that. And so, once again, from Plantation Key in the Florida Keys, I want you all to join in and sing along with me. And we're going to Banana Island. Yes, we're going to Banana Island. I said we're going to Banana Island. Me and my friend Earl. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and I hope one day you find your own Banana Island and a good friend to go there with. Thank you for watching.